Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I will show you how to install Java JDK and JRE so that you can develop for Java and you can run Java applications. So let's get started. First, go to your search bar and type download Java, and now you will see options from java.com and oracle.com. You need to choose oracle.com one. So click on Java downloads, and as you can see it shows Java 20 and Java 17 are available now. So we will choose Java 20 because we want the latest version. Now go down and click on Windows because we are downloading for Windows 11. Now click on this x64 installer. So it is downloading. Once this is downloaded, you can just open the file directly from here, or if you're on a different browser that does not allow opening, you can open where it is downloaded and just double click on this and click next, and this is the default path where it will be installed. So you can change the directory, but I will not change it. Hit next, and once JDK is installed, you can just finish close. Now you do not need to install JRE separately as it is included in this. Now if you type cmd, and you can just type java -- version to see what Java version is there, and as you can see Java version is Java 20, and we have already installed Java runtime environment and Java JDK both. So now you can develop for Java and run Java applications. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.